Welcome back to our chapter-wise summary of The Power of Your Subconscious Mind by Dr. Joseph Murphy. Today we're on Chapter 5, Mental Healings in Modern Times. In this chapter, Dr. Murphy shows us how people in our time, just like in ancient days, have healed their bodies and lives using the power of belief. He shares real-life stories of people who overcame illness, fear, and failure by changing their thoughts and trusting the power of their subconscious mind. The big idea? Your mind and body are deeply connected, and when you change your thoughts, your body responds. For example, a man had severe chest pain, but after repeating to himself, "My heart is strong, I am at peace," again and again, he began to heal. Why? Because his subconscious accepted the idea, and his body followed. Dr. Murphy also explains how placebo effects work. People feel better simply because they believe the treatment will help. It's not magic. It's the power of the subconscious. Mind in action. So remember, your thoughts shape your health, and healing begins in the mind with belief, repetition, and emotion. That's the end of Chapter 5. In Chapter 6, we'll discover how your subconscious can bring you true wealth. Not just money, but abundance in all areas of life.